church was opened in 1905, the Glebe Presbyterian Church it was then. Well, my name is Tom Tanner, and I've been a member of Glebe St. James for 35 years now, since we moved down to the Glebe. Very soon after it was opened, the Ladies' Aid wanted to buy a pipe organ for the church. I think what I really appreciate about this organ is how well it's balanced with its acoustical setting. It's a very pleasing tone in the organ. You feel good singing with it. Well, when we arrived at Glebe St. James United Church, the Minister of Music was Frances McPhail. And Frances served for over 30 years as our Minister of Music. And her husband, Jack, was one of the founding professors of Carleton University. He was a mathematics professor and just recently died at over 100 years of age. We've had some other organists since then. They've all been very fine musicians. Robert Palmai is very much tuned to the organ. He's a very fine organist and a great musician.
I am Robert Palmai, and I've been organist and music director, Minister of Music they call me, for the last 7 years. I started playing the organ when I was 16 in my hometown back in Preston, Ontario, which is now called Cambridge, in a Catholic church, and I've been involved in church work all my life. I'm mostly self-taught, but I love playing the organ. There's a huge motor in the basement that provides the air for this instrument. A couple floors down below, it comes up and goes into the air chests, upon which the pipes are set, and that's how we create sound. So that was the hornpipe from the Handel's Water Music, which was originally played, I believe, on the Thames River on a barge by a band. And this is a transcription, and again it demonstrates kind of a trumpet sound, echo effect, with the woodwinds, and it's a cool piece. Back in the old days, there was little levers underneath the pipes that was attached to by wire to every key. Every time you press a key, the wire would pull out this little stop underneath the pipe, and the air would go through. And now that is taken away, so it's operated by electricity. This last excerpt I'll play is by Charles Marie Vidor. From his Organ Symphony No. 5, and the toccata at the end is considered to be kind of the mother of all organ pieces. It's played for royalty, for recessionals, and oftentimes people will ask for this at their wedding.